Yeah, welcome back. Check the time. It's 4:49. Chicago is supposed to come here at 4:51. And then at 5:06 we got Texas coming. I'm saying that because two trains. One to Chicago, one to Texas. So one is coming from the north and one's coming from the south. Obviously. I wish I was in Texas right now. Nice and warm. Eating some steak, riding a cowboy. No, that's a song. Save a horse, ride a cowboy. But that's not the point. The point is, I'm waiting for the train to come. The weird guy isn't staring out the window smiling at me anymore. He's not weird. I mean, he owns a Mercedes-Benz store. He's probably bored of no one wants to buy a Mercedes-Benz right now. Some people might, but some people are also probably content with their cars. I know I'm content with my car. It's a nice little shop though. Off subject, but nice little shop. If I hear loud horns and I get spooked, that will not be fun. Attention, your train is not coming. It is now late. Attention, your train is not coming. It is now late. Attention, your train isn't coming. It is now late. Attention, this is normal with U.S. transportation these days. That's why I work at a state level. Yes, I work for the Indiana Department of Transportation as a legislative assistant because I like transportation and I also like government stuff, politics. That's why I'm graduating. Perfect for me, and it's working. Sadly, there's still no train. I can gab on and on and on. I know it should be coming, so I don't want to stop the video. Oh, I see it. No, I don't. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. There it is. It's bright lights way down there. It's one of those Siemens trains, I think. Yeah, you can hear the horn, so I'm gonna back up now that you know that it's coming. The light is still yellow though. But it's coming. It's heading its way down here. Should be slowing down. Soon these crossings will activate. Lincoln service train to Chicago from Carbondale. Now it's a flashing yellow. Slow to stop, I think, is what flashing yellow means. I don't know. All I know is you can see the train. You can hear it blowing its whistle way in the distance there. Last time I saw one of these Siemens trains in action was way back when I went to DC. I went to DC from Baltimore on a MARC train at Halethorpe Station. And yet, all the lights going down. With my cue to back up. The gates over there are coming down. These ones have bells. All these people are heading down to Chicago, Illinois, or up to. It's cold and windy here. I don't really know how cold and windy it is over there. Still got a flashing yellow light. The train is coming. Oh, there's some of these. Oh, these are some baggage cars. These are old trains. Now I'm going to walk down this crossing here, because that's where the Texas trains go. And the crossing all the way down there is activated. The light is still flashing yellow. Oh, now these gates are going back up. Michigan Department of Transportation, Wisconsin Department of Transportation, Missouri River Runner, some other symbol that I don't know. Why isn't INDOT on here? Oh wait, I know why, because we don't have passenger rail service. You know that we should. Boarding the train, going to Chicago, getting ready. The light is still flashing yellow. And now when he's ready to go, he can just punch in a special code that will send these lights down. Activates it. Slowly moving. Why aren't these gates activating? These gates are still not activating. These gates are still not there. There you go. Off to Lincoln, Illinois. The light thing turned red, by the way. There it was. The train. The dates are going up. This light is red. There's obviously, that's obvious because there's a train. The light over there is red. And I think it's because I see a freight train. Or are those cars? I can't tell. It's either a freight train or cars of some sort. The light is red. The train's leaving. Now we got the train coming to San Antonio. Somebody's damaged Porsche. And now we have the old mechanical bell, so it sounds like it's going ting 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 ting. 4th Street. Well, if those were freight trains, you could see the crossing gates on the other end. Which is why I don't think they're freight trains. No, it really could be freight trains though, actually. So we got an Amtrak coming this way, going to Texas. And we might have a train over there, down there. I don't know. But it is a busy day in Springfield. Lights are red. That is either the freeway or some type of train or something. That light is yellow. That light will probably turn yellow. I don't know what that is. Way in the distance. I bet you it's a train going a different direction. So now it's just stopped there. And if that train is just stopped there, then that's going to screw up Texas train. And if that's going to screw up Texas train, then it's going to screw up me. Not really, but it could. Hey look, there's random pieces of bread here. Okay, aside from litter in Springfield. Unless that train's on a totally different track, it will not affect us. And I think we'll be fine. Yep, flashing yellow. Proceed with caution. Flashing yellow on that side. On this side it should be red. If my prediction is right, Texas train. I'm just gonna call it Texas train. Now, it's going to put the Texas flyer or something. I just call it the Texas train because, well, that sounds fun. I'm riding the Texas train. All aboard the Texas train, the Texas train, the Texas train. Yellow. I thought maybe it'd be green because of the Texas train. Except, unless that train is... Oh, now it's red. It's red again. Which means Texas train is on its way. So I'm gonna go back to the station. No pun intended. Station, train. I cracked myself up. Mile marker 185 on this route is here in Springfield, Illinois, the capital. And the Indo-Listeners. So this is weird. So it has an electronic bell on that end and a mechanical bell on this one. I wonder what that is. Again, I'm not Amtrak, I'm not Union Pacific, I'm not IDOT. I'm INDOT, but I'm not IDOT. What's Iowa dot? Does anyone know what Iowa dot is? Well, we're on the subject of different dots. IDOT, INDOT, ODOT, EDOT, GDOT, BDOT. You know, just put the first letter of the state name and then dot. So, the state's called, I don't know, Canada. C dot. It might be CA dot, even though Canada, they're not departments, they're like ministries or like some form of British name. I don't know my Canadian politics as well as I do my US politics and my US government branches. I know they're similar, like the House of Commons is like their representative House of Representatives. And the Senate, well, is still the Senate. Come on, Texas train. Texas train, Texas train. Are you coming, Texas train, Texas train? Texas train, are you coming, Texas train? Are you coming, Texas train? I'm in a very singing mood today, and I do not know why. I'm in a good mood in general, honestly. I think it's just because I decided to go, you know what, I'm going to go to Springfield, get a book that I need for class. I could have went to Champaign if I really wanted to, but I went to... But because the adventure in my blood tells me to go as far as possible, Champaign won. And I might stop in Paris, Illinois, see what the hub is about. One of my friends from college lives in Paris. So I'm not going to visit him because he's in my dorm now. It's not my dorm, but like he lives in my dorm building. But he always talks about how awesome Paris is, and I get it's like it's home. So I want to see Paris, Illinois in its glory and see, oh, what is Paris, Illinois? Who is? Oh, I wonder if there's a Paris, Indiana. So I know there's a Paris, Ohio, and a Paris, Kentucky, and obviously a Paris, Illinois. There's probably a Paris everywhere you go. Probably a Paris in England. Probably a London in France and a Paris in England. In French, you might call it London or Landon or something fun. Chugga wugga wugga, where are the trains? Come on, Texas train. You should be coming soon. You should be coming soon. The Texas train should be coming soon. Where is the Texas train? 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 Texas train, where is the Texas train? 17 minutes, the schedule said 10 minutes behind. The schedule said it was only going to be 10 minutes. Oh, the lights are flashing down there, which means Texas train is on its way. Yep, see, it's going to go ding, 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 and ding, 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 ding. Ding ding dong 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 ding 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 ding. Texas train, it's the Texas train. Texas train is now on its way. I don't see the Texas train. Oh, I see it now. Oh, Texas train is a regular Amtrak train. The PF40s. I think it's a PF40. I don't remember what they're called. But here it comes, blaring in. Here we go. 2 for the price of 1. This one is not as long as the gates are going up. Cars are going to start driving.